Assalamu alaikum, সবাই কেমন আছেন? Hope everybody is well. Today I'm making these yummy drinks. It's called Shabudana dessert. This is my kids' favorite and that's why I try to make it more often, especially for Iftar. I'll show you step by step how I'm making this. All the ingredients that I need to make this recipe, I have it here. I have here Shabudana, powdered milk, sugar, strawberry flavored jello powder, pinch of salt, water, milk, and some bananas. I'm going to start with boiling some milk. I have 3 cups of milk over here, quarter cup of sugar. You can add more sugar if you like it to be more sweeter. Quarter cup of powdered milk. Let this milk boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Pinch of salt. You can avoid salt if you don't like salt in your sweet. This milk is nicely boiled now. I'll turn off the stove and let it cool in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. While the milk is chilling, now I'm going to prepare the jello. I have the heat on medium and in a pot I'm adding 2 cups of water. I'm using this ready-made jello powder today. I'm going to add this into the water and I will boil this for 4 to 5 minutes. And now I will pour it in a bowl and leave it in the refrigerator to chill. Now I'll cook the Shabudana. That's how it's look like. It's called Tapioca sago. I have the heat on medium flame. In a boiling water, I'm adding quarter cup of Shabudana. Make sure the water is completely boiled. I'll cook this for 10 to 15 minutes until the white part is gone. Now I'll turn off the heat and I'll rinse it with cold water so it doesn't get sticky. Now all the process is done. I'm adding them all together. In a cold milk, first I'm adding the Shabudana, mixing it very well so it's all gets separated. Strawberry jello. I made 2 other flavors of jello here. One is orange and one is green apple. You can use any other flavors you like. Cutting them in pieces. Now I'm adding them one at a time. I'm using different flavors so it looks nice. You can just stick with one flavor. The taste won't change. Adding the bananas. Now I'm mixing them. Now I'm pouring this into the glasses to serve and topping up with some vanilla ice cream. This is totally optional. If you're health conscious or if you don't like ice cream, you can just avoid this. But it's definitely yummier with the ice cream. Just garnishing with more jellos. So here was my absolutely delicious Shabudana dessert. It's a perfect drinks for Iftar. Please do try this. Thanks for watching. আপনারা সবাই ভালো থাকেন। আমার জন্য দোয়া করবেন। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।